Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to do BITGET KYC. All right, so first up, go ahead and open up the BITGET app. So as you can see here, this account, okay, is fresh, okay? So what you're gonna do is just tap on the profile icon, and as you can see here, it says unverified. So what we're gonna do is just tap on that button, and it says here, verify now. Complete identity verification in 5 minutes, okay? Tap on verify. Now you're gonna wanna enter your country or region of residence. Okay, your issuing country or where the ID is from, and then the ID type. Okay, let's say, for example, I'm from Philippines as well. The ID card would be a passport, driving license, residence card, or even an ID card. Okay, ID card means it includes tax ID, national health insurance card, postal identity card. I'm just gonna go ahead and choose driver's license right here, hit on next. And then once done, just basically follow simple prompts from here. All you got to do is just to take a clear photo of the front and back of your ID. So just tap on I'm ready, upload right here, take a photo of your ID from the front, and then after that, it will unlock right here, upload, okay? Take a photo from the back part of your ID. And then once that's done, just hit on next. And then in the next page, okay, it will ask you to scan your face. So it will basically use the camera of your phone, scan it, just basically follow simple prompts. It will be easy. Hit on next. And once that's done, wait for about 24 to 48 hours, or sometimes it may be faster, maybe 2 hours. Okay, and after that, you go ahead and check your KYC status right here at the top left, and it should say verified right here. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and show you my other account, which is already verified, just for you to see. I'm just going to log out right here. All right, as you can see here, this account is already verified. That's basically it. That's just how easy it is to do the BITGET KYC. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.